Let's be honest. Most people over 50 have been lied to about how to get a smaller waist. Thousands of crunches, endless sit-ups, ab gadgets that promise miracles, and yet your waistline still looks the same, or thicker. Here's why. You're training the wrong muscle. The secret isn't another ab routine. It's a hidden muscle that classic bodybuilders used to stay lean and tight through middle age. It's not about starving yourself or doing hours of cardio. It's about learning control over your midsection, the same control that built those classic V-taper physiques decades ago. Why traditional ab work fails after 50? If you're chasing a narrow waist, the modern approach is backwards. All those weighted crunches and leg raises target the rectus abdominis, your six-pack muscle. And just like any muscle, when you train it hard, it grows outward. That means your abs might be stronger, but your waist looks thicker. That's the exact opposite of what you want after 50, when posture and proportion matter more than size. The real solution: stop overbuilding the outer abs and start training the inner corset muscle that actually pulls the waist inward. The golden era secret. Look back at legends like Frank Zane and Arnold Schwarzenegger. They didn't have fancy machines or digital trackers, but they had control. Their secret weapon was a deep core muscle called the transversus abdominis, or TVA, the muscle that wraps horizontally around your waist like a natural belt. By mastering it, they could literally cinch their midsection and create the illusion of a smaller waist, even with a massive chest and back. Frank Zane's 29-inch waist wasn't luck. It was daily practice of a movement called the stomach vacuum. The science made simple. The TVA is the deepest abdominal layer. When it contracts, it compresses your core and stabilizes your spine, almost like tightening a weight belt from the inside. A strong TVA improves posture, balance, spinal protection, and yes, the appearance of a trimmer waist. Think of it this way. Crunches build the wall, but TVA training tightens the belt. How to do the stomach vacuum safely after 50? Start slowly. The goal isn't to hold your breath, it's to control your core muscles. Always practice on an empty stomach and never strain your back or neck. Level 1. Lying down vacuum. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Exhale all air from your lungs. Pull your belly button in toward your spine. Hold 5 to 10 seconds while taking small, shallow breaths. Relax and repeat 3 to 5 times. Level 2. All fours vacuum. Get on hands and knees. Exhale completely. Draw your navel up toward your spine. Feel your abs lift. Hold 15 to 20 seconds. Breathe lightly. Repeat 3 times. Level 3. Standing vacuum. Stand tall or slightly lean forward with hands on hips. Exhale fully. Pull your stomach in as far as possible. Hold up to 30 seconds, then relax. Gradually build up to 60 seconds per hold. Practice these daily, and you'll notice your waist feeling firmer within weeks. Your 30-day core control plan. Frequency: every morning, empty stomach. Sets: 5 holds per session. Goal: build up each hold to 30 to 60 seconds. Challenge: do it for 30 days straight. Within 2 weeks, most people feel tighter support in the midsection and improved posture. By day 30, you'll see and feel the difference. So here's the bottom line. If you're over 50, you don't need endless crunches. You need core control. Train your body's natural belt, the transversus abdominis, and you'll tighten your waistline from the inside out. Commit to the 30-day plan and track your waist each week. You'll be surprised how quickly your midsection responds, not just in appearance, but in strength and confidence. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more age-smart fitness science and share your 30-day results in the comments. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild your shape the right way.